Hello everybody, this is M. Ramakrishna, lecturer in mathematics, working at Government Degree College Co-Education, Anaparthi. So now we discuss about semester 6 mathematics paper 6. So title of the paper is Solid Geometry. Solid Geometry. In previous semesters, we have 4 units, but in semester 5, we have 3 units. Similarly, in previous semesters, we have 80 marks paper pattern, but in semester 6, we have 60 marks paper pattern. So, in solid geometry, we have 3 units. That 3 units are: first unit is sphere, second unit is cones and cylinder, third one is the conicoid. So in sphere unit 1 we have some topics. The topics are the sphere through the 4 given points, equation of a circle, intersection of a sphere and a line, equation of a tangent plane, angle of intersection of two spheres, and radical plane. These topics are covered in unit 1. In unit 1 and unit 2, cones and cylinders. So definition of cone and definition of cylinder. Condition that the general equation of a second degree representation a cone. Cone and plane through its vertex intersection of a line with a cone. The right circular cone, the cylinder, the right circular cylinder. These topics are covered in unit 2. So, and unit 3, the conicoid. The general equation of a second degree, intersection of a line with the conicoid, plane as contact, enveloping cone and cylinder. These topics are covered in unit 3. So now we go to unit 1. So now unit 1 is sphere. So what is the sphere? What is the sphere? Sphere is a 3D shape. 3D shape means which figure has 3 measurements. That shape is called 3D shape. 3 measurements means height, length, width. Which has height, length, width. That shape is called 3D shape. For example, sphere, cube, cuboid. These types are called 3D shapes. So three measurements. So sphere, we have to define the sphere in space because of it has 3 axes. So 3 mutual perpendicular lines in a space are called 3 axes. These are x-axis, y-axis and z-axis. These axes are divides the space into 3 parts. That is xy plane, yz plane and zx plane. These coordinate planes divides the whole place in 8 compartments which are known as 8 octants. So now we go to definition of sphere. So definition of sphere is the set of points in a space which are a constant distance small r from a fixed point C, where constant distance r is called radius and a fixed point C is called center of the sphere. And we have another definition is also a sphere is a locus of a point which remains at a constant distance from a fixed point. The fixed point is the center of the sphere, and constant distance is the radius of the sphere. So but we know formula of distance between the 2 points. So when center is x comma y comma z, let any point p of x1 comma y1 comma z1 on sphere. Now distance between CP equal to root of x minus x1 whole square plus y minus y1 whole square plus z minus z1 whole square. But here CP equal to small r. So small r equal to root of x minus x1 whole square plus y minus y1 whole square plus z minus z1 whole square. So squaring on both sides, we get here r square equal to x minus x1 whole square plus y minus y1 whole square plus z minus z1 whole square. So let us take equation 1. If center of sphere is origin, so origin means that is c of x comma y1 comma z1 equal to c of 0 comma 0 comma 0. So now from equation 1, from equation 1, x square plus y square plus z square equal to r square. So because of where x1 y1 z1 equal to 0 0 0, substitute the in equation 1. So another point here, if center is origin and radius is also 0, from equation 1 we get x square plus y square plus z square equal to 0 because of where center is origin. Origin means where x1 y1 z1 equal to 0 and radius is also 0. So that means r equal to 0. So now we get from equation 1 x square plus y square plus z square equal to 0. So this type of sphere equation is called point sphere because of there is no radius. So where r equal to 0, so that's why we are calling this equation is called point sphere equation. Now here we solving the some problems on sphere. Now yes, some problems on sphere. Find the equation of the sphere when center is minus 1 comma 2 comma 0 and radius is 4. Given center and radius of the sphere is c of x1 comma y1 comma z1 equal to c of minus 1 comma 2 comma 0 and radius r equal to 4. But we know that equation of the sphere is x minus x1 whole square plus y minus y1 whole square plus z minus z1 whole square equal to r square. So here x1 y1 z1 equal to minus 1 to 0 and r equal to 4. Substitute the above equation here. X plus 1 whole square plus y minus 2 whole square plus z minus 0 whole square equal to 4 square. Now simplify this equation, we get here x plus 1 whole square plus y minus 2 whole square plus z square equal to 16 is a required sphere equation. And we have to solve another problem. Center of the sphere is 1 2 3 and 0 1 minus 1 lies on sphere. Then find the equation of the sphere. Now solving this problem here. Given center in the problem, c of x1 comma y1 comma z1 equal to c of 1 2 3. Given point p of x comma y comma z equal to p of 0 comma 1 comma minus 1. So it is lies on the sphere. But we know that where radius equal to distance between the CP. So because of where C is the center of the sphere and P is the lies on the sphere. So that's why radius is equal to distance between the CP. So equal to distance between the CP equal to root of 0 minus 1 whole square plus 1 minus 2 whole square plus minus 1 minus 3 whole square. So therefore r equal to root of 1 plus 1 plus 16 equal to root 18. But we know equation of this sphere x minus x1 whole square plus y minus y1 whole square plus z minus z1 whole square equal to r square. So substitute in place of x1, y1, z1 equal to 1, 2, 3 and r equal to root 18. So we get here x minus 1 whole square plus y minus 2 whole square plus z minus 3 whole square equal to 18 is a required sphere equation.